Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina and today I'm making an easy no-bake Oreo cheesecake with an Oreo crust. This cheesecake is a perfect dessert. I'm going to show you how to make an easy Oreo crust. You're going to need 24 Oreos. There are a few ways to do this. You can pulse it in a food processor like so, or place them in a large ziploc bag and roll them with a rolling pin. Or you can process them in a high power blender until they are crumbs. Then you're going to transfer those crumbs to a mixing bowl. Then add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Use a spoon to stir together until the crumbs are evenly moistened. Transfer those moist crumbs to a 9-inch springform pan. Then use a spoon to press the crumbs into the bottom of the pan. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Now you're going to place in the freezer to chill while we make the cheesecake filling. Add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream in your stand mixer or in a large mixing bowl using a hand-held mixer, and you're going to beat the cream. Start mixing on low speed, then increase the speed to medium-high until the cream starts to thicken and stiff peaks. Now in a separate bowl, add 16 ounces of cream cheese and beat until smooth. Add in 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix until fully combined. Then you're going to transfer the whipped cream to the cream cheese mixture and gently fold. Then you're going to crush 18 Oreos. I placed the Oreos in a Ziploc bag and used a meat tenderizer to crush them. You can also use a rolling pin as well. Then you're going to add the Oreos to the cheesecake mixture and fold in. Now it's time to pull the crust out of the freezer. You're going to transfer the cheesecake filling to the chilled crust and then use a spatula to even out the top. Cover tightly, then place in the refrigerator to let chill for about 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Now it's time to take the cheesecake out of the refrigerator. I had mine in there for about 5 hours. I'm so excited to show you all this cheesecake. Once the cheesecake is set, run a thin spatula or knife along the edges to loosen from the pan. And then I like to top it off with some more Oreos. Alright, time for the taste test. I'm gonna let my husband give it a taste. He loves Oreos and has been dying to dig into this cheesecake. Okay, hun, let's see what you think. Okay then. Well, that answers my question. Make sure to share some with baby girl. You know she's gonna want some. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
That sounded weird.
If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye.